Hey, boy, you getting ready for school?
Daddy poo, dude. I am sick as all get out. I don't know. I can't. I think I should stay home today.
Boy, about as weak as anything, boy.
Hi. Hello?
Hey, this is Mr. Wray. Calling to let you know that Chris can't be able to come to school today because he's not feeling too well.
Hey, but do you know the proportion of healthy kids who use sickness as an excuse of skipping school? The proportion lies in the interval 0.88 to 0.89 in a confidence level of 99%.
Okay, but what does that mean?
That means I'm 99% confident that the interval 0.88 to 0.89 captures the actual value of proportion, which means that I'm sure your son was lying.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, I'm going to do the quadratic formula. I'm going to review it with you. Minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac. And Jesse, tell me, baby, can you tell me?
2D.
2d? Baby, there's no d in quadratic formula. You're going to be poor, homeless, and die alone, Jesse. Anyone else? Come on, babies. Anyone else? Ruby?
What was the question?
Why don't you pay attention in my class, Ruby? This is why you have a B in here. Maybe if you tried harder and stopped daydreaming in the corner, you could get somewhere in life, baby. Why can't you be more like the North Carolina Tar Heels? They never make mistakes. I wish I could become a Ram so they would get me to be the mascot, and maybe I could gallop along with the... My phone. Hang on, babies. Hello? Yes, this is she. Oh, well, that's tragic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll send them right away. Jesse, Ruby, I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but it appears that both of your cats have passed away, and you are both needed to help spread the ashes.
Okay, I'm so sorry for your loss, but it's okay. You will get through it.
Thank you.
Okay, Ruby, is your dad here?
Oh, he's right there. Let's go. Hey, Dad, how are you doing?
Hey, Ruby. You got a kiss for Daddy?
No. Oh, Chris, thank you so much for taking us out of the class. The pre-calc class was so boring.
Yeah, and for such a small lady, Miss Wilson sure can be mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean, Jesse. So, let's get this show on the road.
Yes.
Hey, I wonder if this thing can go faster than 140.
Well, I mean, there's a simple way to test it. If we just set the null hypothesis to the mean equals 140, then we just set the alternative to mean greater than 140, and we check our conditions.
Whoa. Chris, I just came from pre-cal. I don't know all that stuff.
Oh, well, that's okay. You don't need to be good at pre-cal or geometry or even algebra to be good at stats. It really has nothing to do with all that stuff, and it can really help you in life. You should consider taking it next year.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So, Chris, where are we going today?
Oh, Ruby, I have got our whole day planned out. We're going to the art museum first, and then I think maybe watch a movie, and then go to a baseball game. Oh, it's going to be awesome.
That sounds cool.
Can we eat some of that popcorn?
Oh, for sure. It's going to be great.
So, let's go.
So, Jesse, what do you want to do with your future?
You know, Chris, I think I want to be a businessman.
A businessman? Well, you need to take AP Stats if you're going to be a businessman. You know, normal distributions, finding the probability of data lying in an interval using a sample. I mean, using a sample, you can compare it to a population, find anything from the probability of a defect to the mean tail length of dolphins or...
Wait a second, Chris. I don't want to hear all these crazy terms. I only want to be a teacher.
A teacher? Well, a teacher uses AP Stats all the time, Ruby. I mean, you can compare your students' results, or even after they graduate, see how they're doing using a two-sided box plot or a residual plot. But all right, let's go, Power Rangers. Hey, yo, Roopsicle, pass me some corn.
Hey,
I wonder what the proportion of successful catches by a baseball player is.
I don't know, 4%?
4%. According to the AP Statistics textbook, it's actually 60%.
Wow, that's pretty high.
That's really high. Hey, Chris.
Yeah?
That geriatric on crutches looks a whole lot like your dad.
Oh shoot, I forgot my dad plays JV baseball for the elderly on Saturdays.
Stealth mode, guys. It's been a crazy day. I guess this is goodbye.
Yeah. Have a nice life, Jesse. I hope you guys do great in AP Stats next year.
Thanks, Chris.
Thanks, man.
See you later, man.
Okay.
Oh, Ruby. This is goodbye. Oh, butter biscuits, my dad's home. The red one?
Stars.
Okay, so it's recording,
Yes.
and then I just go.
And
okay.
this one is the thing, I don't know how to zoom in.
Okay.
See that?
Oh
This
wait, how do I zoom?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I gotcha.
And
I gotcha.
oh,
Anybody else?
You had one line, Ruby.
I remember your common name.
No, it doesn't say that. It doesn't say it.
Oh.
No, wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Not yet. Oh, this is necessary to find, Chris. You're watching the movie. What are you guys looking that way for? What?
Hey, Chris, get ready. Get ready.
He's not crutching. Why?
Chris, you need to get ready for school.
Daddy poop, man. I'm
Thanks.
Thanks. Wait, should we stand here for a while?
Yeah, I know what you mean, Jesse.
Let's get this show on the road.
Let's get this show on.
We should do it once more.
All right, one more time.
One more time, one more time.